Hello students, today we are starting with the GK video, that is heritage sites in India. In this we are going to understand about some clues and pictures. So here are the pictures which are talking about which is Rani Ka Vav, that is Nalanda Mahavira, this is Kyonato Ghana, and this is Sundarban, and this is Western Ghat. So these are the clues which you are going to understand, that is located in Patan, Gujarat. This site was included in the list of heritage site in 2014. It is a kind of well which has the stairs in it, and they have the 7 layers of levels of stairs which hold the 500 principal structure. This picture is known to be Rani Ka Vav, right? In this you will see that some architecture is going on. An architectural building is there, but it is an educational institution which is having the archaeological remains over there, and the dating is 3rd century BC to 13th century CE, and it has the shrines, stupas and viharas. It is considered to be the most ancient universities of the Indian subcontinental. Clear? So this is known to be Nalanda Mahavira. Now this is talking about some national park which has the waterfalls in it, and in the winters they have the migrated birds which comes from the different countries, that are China, Afghanistan, Siberia, Turkmenistan. They have the rare Siberian crane also spotted there, and this is known to be Leonardo Ghana. Clear? In the West Bengal there is a kind of forest which is known to be mangrove forest, and mangrove forest has the wide variety of the species or the endangered animal species. Clear? It has the situated in the Ganga and Brahmaputra river, the mouth of the Ganga and Brahmaputra river, and the forest area is covered with the 10,000 square kilometers, and the forest area is shared by the India and Bangladesh, that is known to be Sundarban. Now located to the western coast of India, the mountain chain that is older than Himalayas. It is one of the most biodiversity hotspots of the world. The main mountain chain traverses the states of the Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. That is known to be Western Ghats. Clear? So in the computer quiz we are going to understand about some computer terms, that as AI stand for artificial intelligence, 5G stand for the 5th generation, and what generation of the home computers does Apple II belong? That is 4th generation. Which of the following is an example of the fitness tracker? That is Misfit Ray. And what is the full form of GUI? That is graphical user interface. What is the basic unit of measurement of information in the computer storage? That is byte. And who suggested the @ symbol while writing the first email? That is Ray Tomlinson. Clear? Which of these is not the Microsoft Office tool? That is Open Office tool. Open Office. Clear? How many parts are usually there in the URL? That is 3. Who invented the binary code? That is Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. And which of the following was the first general purpose electronic digital computer? That is first general purpose electronic digital computer, that is known to be ENIAC. Clear? And there is a fact file given which is talking about a human robot which is known to be Sophia, and who has developed this? That is Hanson Robotics in Hong Kong, and in 2017 she was given the citizenship by the Saudi Arabia. Clear? So this is all about the GK chapter, and tomorrow or day after tomorrow we are going to start with the Sudoku and the towards to the peaceful world. I'm so sorry, we are going to start with the arts and craft and the para athletes of India. Thank you so much.